United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 181, Archives and Official Communications of the Authority, 1. The archives of the Authority, wherever located, shall be inviolable. 2. Proprietary data, industrial secrets, or similar information and personnel records shall not be placed in archives, which are open to public inspection. 3. With regard to its official communications, the authority shall be accorded by each state party treatment no less favorable than that accorded by that state to other international organizations.